So hello everybody, my name is Alice. Today I'm going to show you how to use curl to check out weather. So as you know, curl is a tool that you can use for HTTP GET, POST, downloading files, um, using in crawler scripts or anything. Almost it's a complete tool. Um, so if you run curl HTTP on Google. This is the first page of the Google. But it's not important. We are going to use it on a website called wttr.in slash the name of the city that you want to check the weather with first letter capital. And here it is. This is so cool. So this uses the internet. You definitely need internet connection because it gets this web page, and you can also put this on your bashrc, zshrc, or anything almost to run it on bash open to check it out. I thought it would be cool to show this to you. Thanks for watching.